In this video, I'm gonna show you how to publish a book on Google Play Books. So the first step is to simply go and search for Google Play Books Publish and then simply click on this Books Partner Center and then you're gonna get redirected here. So as you can see, you're gonna have to simply create an account, publish your book, and then you're gonna have to simply promote your book and you can start earning 70% revenue split for sales. So simply click on get started and then you're gonna have to choose a publisher, self-published author, and then here you're gonna have to enter the name. So let's enter a name. Then here you're gonna have to simply choose your country. So as you can see, you're gonna have to choose where is your bank account here. As you can see, your primary bank is located, your website, and then your phone number, and click on next, and after that you're going to be able to publish your book. So basically that's all you have to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.